Hey, we're back to talking about our vowels E and U, the long E, the long U, and we are going to now complete our discussion about with E and U and go to the vocabulary mats that we use to match some of our words with these sounds. So let's start with E. Okay, so let me move this over here. Okay. So our first E, our capital E, lowercase e,
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 eel,
eel, eel. The eel lives in the ocean. The eel. Okay, let's take a look at some of our choices. All right, so let's see if we can find another word here that starts with the letter E. It makes the E sound. We have
eagle,
eagle. The eagle makes the E sound. Eagle. All right, let's take a look and find another word. Let's try quarter.
quarter,
No, quarter. That doesn't make an E sound. Let's look for the E sound. Let me get this away from here and let's try again. Let's look for the E sound. See if you can help me find a word that starts with the E sound. Okay, let's see. Let's try eat.
eat,
Eat, eat. Eat makes the E sound. Eat. Okay, our next, let's see if we can find another word that starts with E. Let's see, how about,
jelly,
no, it's not jelly. Jelly starts with the J sound, jelly. All right, let's try and find another E. E. How about we go with east?
east,
East, east, east. The direction is east. Okay, and one more to complete our mat. Let's see, down here is our emu.
emu,
Emu. Our emu starts with the letter E. Okay, great. So we have eel, eagle, eat, east, and emu. Awesome job. Okay, let's head on over to our U mat and take a look at those words. Okay, oh, fun. Well, that's a fun word. You.
you,
Okay, great.
you,
And now we're starting again with our long vowel U sound. So ukulele, ukulele,
ukulele,
ukulele. That is an instrument that you can play. It's a small, very, very small looking, like a guitar, but very small. Okay, let's find some U words. All right, how about we start with
uniform,
uniform. We'll start with uniform. Uniform. Next we have, let's see.
yellow,
Nope. Yellow. Yellow makes the Y sound. Yellow. Let's get yellow out of there and let's look for another U. How about we try
unit,
unit? Unit. We'll try unit. Unit. Okay, next one. Well, let's see. We've got zebra. No, I don't think zebra. How about unicorn? Unicorn.
unicorn,
Yes, unicorn starts with the U sound. Unicorn. Okay, very good. And our last one, let's see what we can find here. How about we do, let's see,
Yoga.
yoga? No, not yoga. Yoga makes the Y sound. Yoga. We're looking for you. You. Okay, let's try again. How about use?
Use.
Use. That's correct. Use. Use. Okay, great. All right, so we have now we finished our E and our U, and now we're going to head on to our consonants. We'll do that tomorrow.